Hello everyone, I'm Naneshwari Chitravar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, I'm covering odds in the probability. Many of you must have heard this, odds of the event or odds against the event. What does this mean? Odds relates the chances in the favor of the event to the chances against it. Let's see what is odds in detail with an example here. If I say odds are 2:1, that person A will get a job. Odds are 2:1 means what? There are two chances in the favor of this event and one chance against this. Means there are two chances that he will get a job in the favor of this event, right? A will get a job. And there is one chance against this event, means one chance that A will not get a job. Okay, then can we find the probability here? Yes, let's see how to do that. What is the probability of getting a job here? See, there are two chances in the favor of this event and there is one chance against this, means two chances of getting a job out of three chances, right? So probability will be 2/3. Fine. Now what is the probability of not getting a job? We can do this 1 minus this, or directly we can find this one chance against this, means one chance that he will not get job out of total three chances. Fine. The probability is 1/3. Understood? Now let's make this generalized. If I say odds are A is to B in the favor of event E, okay, then what is the probability that event E will happen? Probability of event E. See, A chances are there in the favor of this, B chances against this. So probability will be A upon A plus B. Total chance will be A plus B, right? Probability of not happening of this event. Not happening means against. So B by A plus B, right? Now note this. If the odds are A is to B in the favor of this event, means odds are B is to A against this event. Okay, against. Fine, got it? If the odds are A is to B in the favor of E, then odds can be B is to A against this event. Now let's solve few examples here. What are the odds of getting a queen from a pack of 52 cards? Let's find these odds. See, in a pack there are 52 cards, fine, out of which 4 are queen and non-queen cards will be 48, right? 52 minus 4. Now, there are 4 chances of getting a queen and 48 chance of not getting a queen, right? So, odds will be in the favor of this, there are 4 chance. Against this, there are 48 chance. So, odds is this. So, we can write 1 is to 12. 12 for the 48. So odds here is 1 is to 12. See, here we can find probability also. Probability of getting a queen from a pack of 52 cards. Probability will be 1 divided by 13. Fine. Now let's solve this. Odds in favor of event A are 2 to 5. Fine. And odds against event B are 5 to 6. Okay. Find the chance that both event will happen. In this case, event A and event B both are independent event. See, what is given? Odds in favor of event A. Odds in favor of A is 2 to 5. 2 is to 5. Fine. Now, for odds against event B, it is 5 to 6. find probability? Probability that event A will happen is 2 by 7, right? Now, probability that event B will happen, it is 6 by 11. See, in this case, this odd is against event B, means 5 chances in the against of this and 6 chances in the favor of this. So, probability that event B will happen means 6 out of 11. Fine. Now, what is the chance that both event will happen? Means we have to find probability A into probability of B. Fine. That is 2 by 7 into 6 by 11, which is nothing but 12 by 77. This is the chance that both event will happen. Understood? Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video and understood the concept of odds in the probability.